guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk about parenting, well-being and lifestyle. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Cynthia Ofodile, and if you are following me, thank you for following me. If you haven't started following me, please start following me today, because I'll be sharing with you lots of parenting tips, gardening tips you wouldn't want to miss. Right, let's dive in today's video. We will be talking about how we can grow tomatoes in buckets. How amazing! Tomato is a very beautiful plant you will love to grow just in a little space. Tomatoes come in varieties. It depends on the one you want to grow, so it's good to buy from the farmers so you know the exact one you're growing. But here I'm using the money maker because I like the way they turn out, very big and sweet, so delicious. So you'll be wondering why I'm putting them in an eggshell. Yes, eggshell helps them to germinate very quickly. Eggshells which contain protein. Wondering why I have covered the seeds in an egg container. Reason is to serve as a propagator, so this will help the plants retain heat and moisture and help them to germinate very quickly, especially if you're growing your tomato in a country that is not very hot. You will need to leave it indoors for a long time, to get enough heat. It's best also to put your plants in a perforated container where they can drain excess water. There are so many other ways you can sow your seeds. You can leave them to dry or preserve them until when you're ready to sow, or you can sow them wet. Just get the tomatoes, you can slice them or just squeeze them out. The one you normally pour away, you can as well save them. Instead of them pouring it away, pour them where they can germinate. I've done that a couple of times and it really gave me lots of new tomatoes coming. Giving you update in 2 weeks time to see if these ones will grow eventually. Well, you see these tomatoes we normally buy from the market and it looks broken. Sometimes we just discard them. We don't want them. Instead of discarding them, putting them in the bin, you can as well just squeeze out the seeds out, and then you can plant them if you want. So here it says, why I've decided to put it in this bucket here, planter pot, is just for us to see if they actually grow, because I've done it a couple of times. I'll just spread them over and then I'll cover them, leave them under the sun to see what's going to happen, if they will actually grow. Then I'll show you the ones I did similar things like this and what happened to them. So if you look closely, you will see this one's growing here. Like this one has found itself here. This is as a result of a scattered tomato I put everywhere, and some of the seeds even went as far as here, you can see. And some ones I'll be showing you shortly what I have done with these ones and how they grew up to this extent.